OC Joshua, he don't vex plenty for that video where he wash him, where the turn for social media for some gondering, where come and bro people they make him make his sleep for inside mode. OC Joshua, he be the talk after we see that in, he the talks mean gum na them, they try for see as way they go catch all that people there, they do that kind of thing, judge them, then give them better casting go. For that sense for Limbe for mile 4, some 70-year-old man, he don't die, no man no sabi way to make him. They only go meet up the man, now for inside the room where he don't already finish dying. Pa, he be the Shidona E1. So for Tori for this afternoon, we go take una go from Konsambam for talk as way big day for Muslim people them, a pass. It be then a one way, Oga, Di Osesep, and even big people them, Father them, Bishop them, they be there for them, for see as we Muslim people they be glad their big day. Sabi say this one, it become 1 moon after we they be done the fast and they be done the prayer. Other Tori the day, we will go Sabiam as we go enter for inside Tori in the proper. Big part of it detail we say waiting. Say person, it know the show fly, place where sheets a day. As a person, it know the show fly for place where sheets a day. Now lum emerencia for that side so for Bukwango, land for legendary hospitality. Now he same with big part of. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon, happy big day from we Muslim brother. They glad their big day today. They don't just come up for prayer. Before we enter for inside chapter for we Muslim brother them for that size of Hong Kong. We go start now with the other quarter news them. First, make we take una go for place where they call them say Marie Claire. Now for that side we go start Tori, Hillway decline. Go for place where they call them say Marie Claire, as where they go. For that side, so for Pekka Ons, now for they will go study to him. Where some moto, a craze, a jam, a chakaram. No man, he never fit for talk, whether the person will be there for inside the moto, he be die or he no be die. We only work a go meet the moto with the moto, it already jam. For back, it show say they fine. By time we work out, we go for before, only the way with the moto chakaram. No man, he never fit for sabi way to way he pass with that moto for place where they call him say Marie Claire. For that side where they call him say Esenge, na for Douala 5 country people them, na big trouble there for that side. For Sika say waiting. Lights na the problem. I say waiting. Electric pole and even rope. It don't defund Jengu for all corner for Esenge. Sabi say we go for Esenge side, no be na for Sika the pole them. Now for security will be passed today, but our eye it be climb on top that one. We be talk to say make we enter for inside that chapter. For say make we talk so that people the way they fix light. Maybe they go talk say they no sabi way to way in the past. But now say we will get for open them their eye. So that place where they call them say Esenge, even as where they place a dirty. One style so it take dirty. Now normal thing for Douala. But the 201 look and open dirty. See one pole, see number for rope the way they pass onto his skin. See for my front door. Now put that way, rope in the pass, in the worker, a pass. People they only look at my show the rope in the pass. Rope they right for ground. Now put that where it don't fall. Pole OH, it don't catch them. It don't fall Jengu. But no man, even the people there they say they look all light. They never pass so they say me they look as where the pole. They see how they put on up. See rope the way they pass so they. Small pikin go make mommy play, papa play on top. One time, current is soccer. They go talk say person don't die when a current is soccer. But now, they never check say they get for go do them. The only thing they check, now for go give them B. Say me they pay them. Now rope down the pass on my front door. My front door, see the one the work and for road, public road. Now small pikin like that. One way, it they way don't already fall for down. Now that. Small time when people they die, they go talk say, they no be sabi. With the show now, una don't sabi say pole don't fall for Esenge. Una carry una moto, una new pole them, carry and go carry, fix that pole before it kill some person. Make we hear wait to wait some power way don't she done for that quarter for plenty time. A talk for innocent Abega a microphone.
I've been for almost 2 years. Last time I was with neighbors. A cable near the key. Luckily, I begin drive a mustic. Never nakama a quarter cable. For me, another light because I don't was on air, so I say another light because my cable the board. And if we answer for more 3 years, I'm there for almost 2 years. Last time I was with neighbors. A cable near the key, luckily, I begin drive a mustic. Never nakama a quarter cable. For me, another light because I don't was on air, so I say another light because my cable the board. And if we answer for more 3 years.
Yes, now so one person that way she done for place where they call them say Esenge. Now so we go take una one time we enter for Limbe for place where they call them say mile 4 country people them. We go take una we work as small na tori we just enter we hand just now. Now apart that household they enter for them for the way some power we get 70 years. It be the she done E1 for inside the house. They only come into the power where the power it don't die for that side, so for mile 4 for Limbe. Now quarter head that from quarter 6 for mile 4 for Limbe where it take we waka for show with this palm 70-year-old power the power be the so shoe the power be the make old umbrella them now only they only go meet up palm where power already die now old umbrella thing then that way power the keep on for our side. No man you know sabi wait to keep her bet it show say palm if you don't surely the sick. Buy one be the shidon for inside the house. We not be fit for sure na what we see and for inside. We only show on another side. For tell na say the palm, if you don't die so te it be the smell. Now the quarter this now only the place where palm be the shidon. Now 70-year-old man will be the shidon E1 for the place where we see and so. And if no be na say now some pikin say way they call quarter heads for quarter 6, they know for sabi say some die person a day for inside the house. So that pa, as why they talk for them, he gets 70 years. So take quarter as I said the lucky nose. Now for tell na say the die body, if it already start for smell. Pa, it be the fixed shoe and it be the fixed umbrella for that side. So where they call them say mile 4. Now for Limbe side. We go here where to where quarter head a talk for this palaver for die way he go meet up am. Now quarter head for quarter 6 for that side for mile 4 for Limbe.
Opening match for Wake Up. Then one messenger for the village council, the enter camp. He called me. Then he give me convocation. That my name na Alan David. Where they judge their matter for council. So they say make I issue the man the convocation. So I don't come out early this morning time. I say no, make I go issue that convocation since my messenger travel. I don't go this morning time. I go issue the convocation for it. I called the man. He said for my one, he take taxi, the car take taxi can. Since I not be supposed to give the convocation for any other person than the very person where he named for the convocation. So I gave him for the man. Now by the time I want to go back now, let them call me. Say, "Pa, this woman I come. Say, quarter head, come. Say, some man don't die for inside house." I say, how? Now we climb on a small girl take we now. One camp, the small place where we did it for the house. If you look say for there, you go see them way. They don't even build the house, put the door on for back. Whereas people they pass now for front here. So when I meet the small young man, I try for interrogate him, try for ask him questions. He tell me say that man will stay for all road before calling mission. He repair shoes and umbrella.
Now quarter head that for that side, so for quarter 6 for inside my for Limbe. We go turn back complete for way to a quarter head the talk for Palaba that power die. We don't give that just small. For the interview, we'll get answer for that side, so for Limbe. Once a big thank you for you, Oga Job Desiree for that side, so for Limbe. Now also make we take una go for place where they call them say Banka, now for West region. Now place where Okada thief, it don't turn a lock mob. I say Okada thief, it don't turn a lock mob. Now the number 2 time this inside the week, where we talk Palava Banka for West region and na so Palava for Okada. This time around, now some 2 young boy them where gendarme they help them where population no kill them for that side so for Banka when na so boy the way they plan they go thief some Okada people them for place where they call us say Banka. According to story we enter for we EM, the 2 young boy them it dey so they be the check and they see as we Okada people them they be dead and 3 they be the dream member for inside some bam they tiptoe can carry Okada go now then 2 than that. 1 na Yannick, 20 years. Loic Landry, 18 years. Then 2, na then 2 they plan. They thief the Okada, so they go gear am for mechanic. They be don already start change the Okada skin. Before population, it can land on top, so cash am. After the cash them 2 go for their house, they go make investigate. They cash plenty identity card them. I say identity card there be plenty for inside the house. Now so make we take una enter for Esenge for talk this palava way e be pass for that side. E be then a chapter way they jam some boy with moto. Then population to vex, e do his own board. Yes, population vex, e do his own thing. That moto so na the siam, na the first moto that way the bona. Moto begin no nothing for do with the other moto way a jam person so the person he die. But the moto as so they meet up where he carry thing there for his back. Now so they put fire on top the moto before the population where the vex. A worker, he left the motor where he carry different cargo where no commercial for the place where they make cement, the company. He come out before he can burn this other motor na the sea and so he dey for distance. That motor, now the motor that says where a jam that young boy so the boy die. The place where they don't throw water, now for the way the motor work on top the boy. Then now the motor says that way he jam the boy where he did so the person where he drive the motor he run can level for before company then he says he run enter for Sosongo. So the motor they burn all then they burn another one where the other one he no begin no nothing. I say he no begin no nothing for do am with the other accident way he pass. Inside company says they be here hot. That boy them way they burn that motor they be tonton sote enter for inside company. As well they enter for inside company, first thing where they do, they chakara na glass for house. I say waiting, they chakala glass for inside company. Come on, Bruce says that they be there for say they no go burn the company. Says but that company house, the seal of us no, na glass that window for company where they vex the chakala all thing where it be there for the grass, yes, for the place. The place where they see and so Okada they ever flop. That boy they pass stiff Okada them too for day. Yes, they carry Okada them for days, so they carry and come out. Now, so chapter for Vexo. Now, so chapter for Vexo, Esenge Saiwe, it be happen. On top that one, some other company motor today, where it is so deep boy them. I say deep boy them, they torture that motor too. Now, the motor, that company motor, they broke glass too for the company motor. Now, so for Sika chapter for Vex. Then Gongo to say where this year, where it turn up so job for corner the motor. On that Gongo to say they touch them. The one that glass where the chakara take stone broke the window. You see that glass not for corner where it broke so. Now them so them they do the kind of work. Then they Gongo to they try for broker, but it no be fit for happen. They go and go bomb company, but police will they tossing a lie. Then that one no go happen. So investigate it they happen on top that chapter. Now, so make we go for Loom. Yes, we go take una go for Loom site for talk palava for roads where it don't vex mayor Kwate Giwambo where it vex for people that way they fix on road for place where they call them say Su Mangie. Yes, according to what we hear, this road now for Yawende where they give contract. The people that don't take the contract for the road 3 times, but now they can avoid the way they deal with the wheelbarrow. Now then they can't walk. They never ever see Caterpillar. It can't walk for the road. They never ever see Gongoro. They carry gravel. They can't run for the road. They never ever see as well they put quota for that road. Now so boy they with a wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow they so push and they don't chop plenty money and the roads it never so better. Better never so follow the road. Now so hold the floor for all corner for the road for quarter where they call them say Sumange for inside Loom. Now for Sika the one way Oga Mayor G Kwate he says he come up for outside. He not comfortable. He said this patcha. See, now that people they say they don't take contract, they fix up. But they don't chop money from government 3 times only for this road. But the road is also spoiled. Quota they need to see. So give what they say be vex. He come up go meet up people there for company. Tell them say ye be mayor. And any work where they happen for inside Loom, he must to pass for eye. He must to see as way they work in the past. So he go tell them say anytime when they want work for the road, they must to can't talk for it say they want do something. So that he say go see him. When they plan for put quota for the road, they must to call he make he can see him. Now palava for decentralized. For normal, if mayor be get right, now mayor be get for give that contract. Contract not for common for Yawende. No be na Yawende people that go give contract for person we get for can fix your roads. Now you say mayor, you be get for do that one. Make we hear wait on one man for Loom, a talk for Shakino Molom, a microphone.
Then we were 3 times this way they don't come for fix the road. Then the Soto fix it kata. This time we don't talk say we not fix them again so. Now good run they get them for foot and for ya. But then they come, then they work for net, then they work for dimension. No man not get for get control. But now I don't talk for them say, then be talk say they get for controlling, and now if you then want put good wrong, then go first look if you then not fix the root fan before them put good wrong for them. After they never push fix root fan, they not people good wrong.
Yes, now after we don't vex, they did fix your road anyhow. What you get for talk for inside that palava for road?
You can away where they for work enough to work. How we fit been for road for pull water for road now with longer for pull sansan for road now with hand enough to work so. Then go take the market, then talk for government and say then get cargo for work with them. You want to see the cargo for where they take for work. If they not do so, I prefer say they never make them work again. Make them left and so.
Auragi Kwate, make we hear person for Lumsese side, a talk for Jacquino Molom in microphone.
I don't know if you accept them they make anything. Because first they don't make some foolish work. Eh? Voilà. Make that foolish work, but they don't make them. If I say they make things will be fine for town. Eh? This I don't pass right yesterday. I don't look this place. I don't see man with the that man with the gate, that man with the control that work. For tell you say, my first thing will be do, may they don't continue at this time, you know. May they make na fine work, good run how they talk. Say na fine good run they go put them for you. And I make anything one pass for, I make them put them for control for Mary because it be normal. Eh? Say council or mayor come control if you work, they don't do better work.
So. Last story for this afternoon, na big day for we Muslim brother them. Make we take una go from Konsamba side for talk waiting. Na big ngando too, it be happen for that side so from Konsamba town. As we big people themselves, Oga and DO and even mayor them and even bishop, or they be there for that side from Konsamba prayer ground, where imam for inside Konsamba sesep, it be the make prayer for place where Muslim people they be prayer. Inside this prayer way it happen for that side so plenty of we Muslim brother them, mommy them, all they be them, all they na for prayer after 1 moon where it is so they don't make fast for say make country eternal fine. Now for talk say waiting, big authority they say they be there for them for see as well this ngando in the past. Now for sika why that way we be get even bishop say for that side so from Konsamba where it be there for prayer ground with Muslim people them. And the prayer, it be done from top say waiting. Say make peace, a turn back for country. They talk chapter where they happen for northwest. They talk where they happen to for that side for far north. Talk where they happen for east and all that kind of one. They say make prayer, it be for country and may say all people them for country, they wake up and they do things them in the better way according to what will happen. After na family photo, it finish ngando for that side so from Konsamba. Now, so make we enter for the one Tory way day for outside the newspaper, calling people them. Una sabi say today na public holiday. Other one they no open, but the post weekend that day for outside. Inside the post weekend they tell you say big man for Kamamburu people them. It don't talk for them say waiting. All the kind thing the way they do one for outside, it no go help for solve this palava for terrorism way they happen for country. Now so they tell you to say for chapter for Northwest and Southwest, some center where they write GCE for Yawende, they try for Kumba, they try for tell you say it they so gun people them, they be attack that center. So for inside Torim, you feel read as we holiday don't come for Yawende, small pikin na then day for roads for palava for Binet. Other Tori the day for inside the post weekend where you never see you fit enter for day for reading. Before we go, if na you go for go buy, you thief bread, you forget your phone, you want turn back, they see your phone, they call you. What you go do? You go take your phone or you go with the bread we don't thief am. Make we see am. if na you go do na how. We dey salute you, Oga Hans Bokwe, principal for PCSS for Douala here. Tomorrow or Sunday, we hear say you get for 2 weeks, take your pikin go for before church. Congratulate. And all people them, sabi say PG News debate. It go happen for here for Saturday, 12:30, so 1:30 in Damba for World Cup SSF. It dey happen. Also, na sabi say Equinox Story SSF. It dey for inside and Damba. Make una all am try it. Sote tomorrow.